Orlando is working over the rope. Odie is working over the bed. And Ophelia's not sure where she's going. She's the littlest one. Hey, don't eat the bed. Odie, don't eat it. Little puppies need something to chew constantly. Ophelia and Odie both have straighter coats. Orlando's is going to be a soft wave. The other two are what we consider straight, but they probably still won't shed, if at all. Well, someone's tracked in a leaf. That's what's gotten them so happy. They're crunching on a dead leaf, a dry leaf. Didn't take much to make them thrilled. Whoop! Did you fall out of bed? He did. Oh, Orlando discovered a cool scarf. So he's going to eat that all over there by himself so the other two don't take it away from him. Okay, pretties. So we have Orlando. Orlando! Isn't that a beautiful puppy? We've got Odie. Odie's on the right. Sister Ophelia just turned her back to us. So there. All right, guys. Have a good one. Say bye-bye.